What if I told you that this one breakfast can keep you full for hours without adding any sugar? Packed with makhana, oats, chia seeds, almonds, dates, and figs, this bowl is creamy. Stay with me because this might become your new favorite healthy breakfast. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. First, I took 10 almonds. I placed the almonds into a chopper and chopped them into small pieces. You can also chop them with a knife if you do not have a chopper. After chopping the almonds, I kept them aside for later use. Next, I placed a pan on the stove. I added 1 tablespoon of ghee to the pan. Once the ghee became warm, I added 1 cup of makhana. Before roasting, I checked the makhana and removed any dark outer flakes that I noticed. Then I started roasting the makhana on low heat. I roasted it slowly for about 5 minutes. Roasting helps the makhana become crisp and enhances its flavor. The aroma becomes really nice after roasting. Once the makhana was roasted well, I transferred it to a plate and kept it aside. Now, using the same pan, I added 1 cup of oats. I dry roasted the oats for about 2 minutes. While roasting the oats, I also added 2 spoons of chia seeds. I mixed everything together and roasted them lightly. Roasting the oats and chia seeds gives a better texture and flavor to the final dish. After roasting, I switched off the heat. Then I transferred the roasted oats and chia seeds to a plate. Now I took a mixer jar. I added the roasted makhana to the mixer jar. Then I added the roasted oats and chia seeds. After that, I blended everything together. I did not make a fine powder. Instead, I ground it into a slightly coarse mixture. This coarse texture makes the breakfast more enjoyable to eat. Once the mixture was ready, I kept it aside. Now I returned to the same pan. Since my milk was cold and straight from the refrigerator, I first added a little water to the pan. Then I poured the cold milk into the pan. I placed the pan on medium heat. Slowly, the milk started heating up. After a few minutes, the milk came to a gentle boil. As the milk heated, a layer of cream formed on the top. I carefully removed the cream using a spoon. I wanted this breakfast to be lighter, so I removed most of the cream. After removing the cream, the milk was ready for the next step. Now I added 5 tablespoons of the prepared makhana, oats, and chia seed mixture. As soon as I added the mixture, I started stirring continuously. Continuous stirring is very important. It helps prevent lumps from forming. I kept mixing everything well. The mixture slowly started becoming thicker. I allowed it to cook for about 1 minute. At this stage, all the ingredients blended together beautifully. The texture became creamy and smooth. Before switching off the flame, next, I added the chopped almonds that I had prepared earlier. The almonds add a nice crunch and extra nutrition. I added 5 dates that I had chopped into small pieces. The dates add natural sweetness to the recipe. I did not want to use refined sugar, so dates were the perfect natural sweetener. Then I mixed everything together once again. The dates, almonds, milk, makhana, oats, and chia seeds combined perfectly. At this point, the breakfast smelled absolutely wonderful. Before turning off the heat, I also added 2 figs. I wanted the figs to soften in the warm mixture. This helps them become tender and more flavorful. After mixing everything well, I switched off the flame. Then I left the pan aside for a few minutes. I allowed the mixture to cool until it became warm and comfortable to eat. Once it was lukewarm, I prepared my serving bowl. I poured the entire mixture into the bowl. Looked colorful, nutritious, and very inviting. The combination of almonds, figs, dates, chia seeds, oats, makhana, milk, and pomegranate looked amazing. This breakfast is naturally sweet. There is absolutely no added sugar in this recipe. All the sweetness comes from the dates and pomegranate seeds. That natural sweetness is more than enough. The flavor is balanced, gentle, and very satisfying. Every spoonful contains healthy ingredients. The almonds provide healthy fats and protein. The oats add fiber and help keep you full for longer. The chia seeds add nutrition and texture. The makhana makes the breakfast light, yet filling. The dates provide natural sweetness and energy. The figs add flavor and extra nutrients. The pomegranate adds freshness and a pleasant crunch. This is a wholesome breakfast that can keep you satisfied for hours. It is perfect for busy mornings. It is also a great option for an evening snack. The best part is that it is simple to prepare. The ingredients are easy to find, and the recipe requires very little effort. If you enjoy healthy homemade breakfasts, you should definitely try this recipe. It is nutritious, delicious, naturally sweet, and incredibly comforting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this healthy breakfast recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.